In Kisumu, Christine Awino, a 41-year-old widow, mother of 5, and a mama mboga, faced a life-threatening diagnosis of stage 2 esophageal cancer. As a registered SHA member contributing $7,000 annually, Christine received comprehensive treatment at Ramogi Odinga and teaching and referral hospital. SHA covered medical costs exceeding $250,000, including diagnostic tests, specialized surgery, 5 days of intensive care, and inpatient and post-operative management. Her chemotherapy, scheduled to begin on January 15, will also be fully covered. These are not isolated stories. They reflect the experiences millions of other Kenyans have benefited from the outcome of deliberate policy choices. Ladies and gentlemen,